Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making Yum deviled eggs. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to put 6 eggs in a pot and then cover with just enough water to cover them. Yeah. You'll then bring over that water up to a boil and boil for 8 minutes, and then put them in an ice bath to cool. Now, the only thing in this recipe that you need to prep are chives. So you're just going to mince chives for garnishing. That's it. Once your eggs are boiled and cooled, you're going to take them out of the ice bath and you're going to remove their shells. If you do it underwater, it makes the shells separate from the egg easier and not remove as much white with it. Once you have peeled all of your eggs, you're going to cut them all in half and put the egg yolks into a bowl. I didn't do this, but you should. When the egg yolks are in that bowl, you're going to want to crush and mash them so they mix better. Then, to the bowl with the egg yolks, you're going to add a half a cup of mayonnaise and a tablespoon of miso paste. I used red miso paste because it was the only one we could find. It's pretty good. But I'm assuming the recipe is more going for white miso paste. Once it's all combined and smooth, you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon ground mustard, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground fennel, and salt and pepper for taste. Also, don't know if any of you noticed, but I'm going to dress it. I did not have any ground turmeric, so I used turmeric puree, which we had, I'm pretty sure by accident. But it worked, so who cares. And then finally, you're going to spoon your filling into the half egg whites, and you're going to top with chives and enjoy. And it can be like stored in the fridge for a decently long time. Not like too long, they're still eggs, but like a couple days. Yeah, enjoy. These were pretty darn good. Maybe a tad overpowering with the red miso paste, but it was really just like something you had to get used to. But yeah, it was like nice and salty. The flavor, it didn't taste too much like eggs. Yeah, 9 out of 10.